All right, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be going over the Mycelium perpetual swaps platform, which if you don't know what that is, I'm going to teach you. But basically it's a way to bet that the price of Ethereum or another crypto coin is gonna go up or that it's gonna go down. And you can make money if you're right on that bet. That's basically what a perpetual swap is. Typically, these type of tools are only available on exchanges like KuCoin or Binance, where you have to register and provide your personal information to make an account. But now, thanks to DeFi, there is a decentralized way of doing this. So I'm gonna show you guys how to get onboarded on this platform, how it works a little bit. The first thing you're gonna need to do is bridge your funds into Arbitrum, because that's where the platform lives. Let's start there. So on this wallet, I have a little bit of Ethereum. I'm just gonna bridge over a tiny bit just to show you guys for demo purposes. So we're gonna connect our wallet. This is the Arbitrum bridge. This is the official one. So you're just gonna go from mainnet, just bridge Ethereum. I think it's the only one that they let you bridge anyways. So we're gonna bridge like 0.1 Ethereum. We're gonna move it into Arbitrum. That's worth $175. It'll have to pay about $4.83 in gas fees. Let's confirm that, and then we just wait for the transaction to go through. This should take no more than 10 minutes. Okay, so now after the bridge has been done, as we can see, our wallet is gonna have the Ether in there. If we go back to the homepage website, this is basically what it looks like. On the left here is like your trading screen, and I'll get into that in a moment. And then beneath that, you have like the dashboard with some stats on like Arbitrum and how much money's in the pools and whatnot, how much is being distributed through the tokens. You can also earn tokens from actually using the platform itself. So this is where your rewards will show up, and in the future you'll be able to like compound and claim and also stake the token. Here's where you can buy and sell the Mycelium token itself. This is pretty cool as well. This is the reward section. So this is like where you can see wallets of other traders and how successful they are and how much rewards they've been accruing, again, from using the platform itself. And then referrals, there's also a referral system in this protocol. So if you guys want to use my code, I'll have a link below. It'll give you a discount on the swap fees, so you don't have to pay as much. But basically that's it. So let me show you guys how to actually use this platform. It's not that hard at all. Basically, here is where you can select the token that you want to be betting on. You can be looking at Ethereum, you could be looking at Bitcoin, you could be looking at Chainlink, Uniswap, Frax shares, Balancer, and Curve. Now, these are the only options at the moment, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be adding more in the future. And you can also be looking at the 5-minute chart, the 15, the 1 hour, the 1 day chart, etc. Basically, this is all you have to do. Let's say you think that Ethereum is going to go up in the future, so you would place a long. And if you think it's going to go short, if you think it's going to go down, you just place a short. I'm going to place a long, and I can only buy it at the current market price. So I can buy the long with Ethereum and as well as stablecoin. So let's buy the long. Let's put like 0.2. It's like 35 bucks, 34 bucks. Man, I'll go even less. I'll do like 20 bucks. Okay, $17. And then here is the fun part. This is where you can enable leverage. So if you only have $17, you could not enable leverage, and that's going to be giving you, $17 worth. Or you can go 10x leverage, and it'll be as if you're trading with $171. So it's basically multiplying whatever you have by 10. So the collateral is multiplied by 10, and there is a bigger risk with this, but there's also a bigger reward. If you see the numbers down here, it'll show you, it'll be taking profits in Ethereum, so it's not going to be taking the profits in stablecoin. The leverage is enabled 10x, 10.02x, but you can just make it 10. And liquidation price and entry price. So if I buy this position right now, I'll be buying it at the current market price of 17, 15, whatever it is at the moment. It's fluctuating a little bit. The only way I can lose all my money, all my $17, is if Ethereum actually goes below $1,593. So that's how I get liquidated. So if I'm placing a long position, I get liquidated if it goes too low, if the opposite happens. So let's go ahead and enable this. Enable leverage, pay for the transaction fee. We're gonna do 10x leverage, and now we're just gonna hit long ETH. And again, it's gonna confirm the details here. So profits are taken in ETH, leverage 10x is enabled, liquidation price, collateral, how much I'm actually putting up. I'm putting up $17 worth of Ethereum. The spread, which is like the difference between when you buy it and the market rate. And then the entry price. So the entry price is locked in when you hit that button. So if I exit it and I hit long ETH again, the entry price is a little lower now because it just changed within those 2 seconds. So let's buy that. And now we're going to see our position in the chart below. So this is my position right here at the bottom. As you can see, I have leverage enabled. P&L is profit and loss. So I've lost 17 cents in the last 2 seconds. Yeah, this is basically all it is. So you just wait You can stare at the chart all day. You could go make dinner and wait. But basically, this is how people trade perpetuals. And again, this is just betting if something's going to go up or down in the future. I've always wanted to do this type of trading because there's been moments where it's like really obvious that something's going to happen in the news and you think it's going to go down. And that's when you would open a position like this. Now you can also edit this position. You could deposit more Ethereum, so you could add more to your long and you'll be able to add more into leverage. Or you can withdraw your funds and decrease your position. And then of course you could also close the position completely. This would mean, if you wanted to max out, I would be taking all of my $171 worth of Ethereum on this bet, closing it, and then at the bottom it'll show you, what your numbers are. So if I close it right now, I'd be losing 1.5%, so 27 cents, and I would be getting $16.87 back from my $17 position. Now you can also decrease this. You can just close about $50 worth if you'd like, and get $5 worth back, whatever it is. You can change the numbers there. Yeah, that's basically how it works. You can do the same thing with other coins. You can do the same thing with Bitcoin. You can short it, but in this case, you'll need to have stable coin to short the token. You can't short Bitcoin with Ethereum. It has to be stable coins. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to close the position. I was hoping that I could have made some profit in the next few minutes, but it doesn't look like we will. So I'm just going to close this position. Again, just going to max it out to take out all of my collateral from there. I'm going to be losing 43 cents on that. It's fine. We're going to close the position. We're going to confirm this. Position is all closed out. So now check our balance. Should have about 0.09. So the position has been closed out. As you can see, orders, there's no trades. This just kind of shows you a history of what you've done. From there, you can basically you can open another short. You can open another long. You can go on another coin and trade on there. You can also swap. So like if you want to go from Ethereum into a stable coin, they have native swaps on the platform itself. So you can do that all within the website. So I think, again, this is a cool platform because it lets you do this in a decentralized way, where normally you have to make an account with like an exchange and submit your driver's license and all that passport info and whatnot. But this is a cool way of doing it without all that. And if you guys want to check out the platform for yourself, I'll have a referral link in the description below. And that'll be it for today's video. So thank you guys for watching. Have fun with this. Be responsible. Don't go crazy, degen. And make sure you stay safe and like the video.